testing the gauges. Starter is a bitch. Of course, I take a video right when it doesn't want to work. Then again, I guess that's just probably from startup. So it's a check engine light, but it says on this it's oh yeah, the tack is way off. 950, it's showing like 1500. That's good to know. Jesus, that is like not even close. Good old shit. Yeah, I don't know what any of these mean, so yeah, trouble codes, look at that one. So yeah, that's probably the guy changed the cap and rotor, plugs, wires, all that shit, but I don't think he knew what he was doing, because one of them was barely even on the plug wire, so I would imagine that's probably not correct. Oh hey, one of the temp things went to 78. It shows basically the top. I'm guessing the top one's probably off of the radiator back there, and since none of the fluid's moving, they're gonna maintain the same until I fucking turn on the pumps. Pump and the fan. I wonder if I can ground out one of them real quick. Just for the fuck of it. The fans. It's kind of trippy. I'm amazed how much stuff this thing actually can read. Oh, that's weird. Kind of glitches for a second. Those seem to be the times that it runs funky. On the smoky side, apparently. Probably burning off all the oil from sitting for fucking 3 years. Yeah, that's a little oily. Yeah, that might be an indication that I have some other problems. Because that is smoky. Smells like oil too. Oh, it could be like oil filling the tire. Oh shit, the bats. Cool. Oh, 3 of them. Crazy. Yeah, so that's probably the smokiest one I own, which is crazy to think because the Stealth and the Z are smoky too. Anyways, figured I'd share because I forgot to plug in the temp one and didn't have the comms one hooked up right. So, anyways, kind of exciting, except for it being smokier than all hell.